Hello friends. So now in this video I'm going to tell you the features of Spotify app. As Spotify is one of the best music apps used by people. This app is available on Google Play Store, Apple App Store, Microsoft Store and also on Amazon Fire TV Stick. This is the homepage of Spotify app where you can have access to many songs and podcasts. So when it comes to songs, you can have access and listen to your favorite songs and music based on your language and genre preferred. So you can listen to your favorite songs based on your genres like pop, jazz, rock, romantic, etc. So when it comes to the collection of songs, Spotify has the largest number of songs or largest collection of songs, be it Indian or international. The next feature of this app is library. In the library section, you can create a playlist of your favorite songs and store it in the library. So whenever you want to listen in an order of your songs, so you can access the library. The next feature of this app is Spotify Premium. The Spotify Premium plans are very unique and different compared to other apps. So the daily plan starts from 7 rupees, which is valid for 1 day, where you can have an access only to one mobile and you can download 30 songs. The next plan is Premium Family, which is of rupees 199 for 1 month. And there are a lot more premium plans available on Spotify, which is very different compared to the other music apps. Also, there is a very different plan for students, which is of 66 rupees, which is available for only 1 month. So here are the benefits for Spotify Premium, where you can have an ad-free music, where you can download songs, and also you can have a group session for it. So the next feature of this app is settings. Here you can make settings for your video podcast where you can download only the audio or you can stream only the audio. And even if you want to play a video podcast, you can play only when you're using Wi-Fi or not. So this is also one of the unique features of the Spotify app. And also the language limit for Spotify app is also unlimited. You can have access to listen to your musics on your favorite languages and also in many languages also. And also there's another feature called car mode where you can have access to music in your car while driving, and also you can set your car mode rules based on the traffic. And also you can connect your Facebook account to the Spotify account. The next feature of this app is curated playlists. These playlists are created by Spotify. They create curated playlists based on pop songs, jazz songs, hip hop songs, rock songs, Bollywood songs, and many more curated playlists the Spotify people will create. And also language curated playlists are also available on this app. And also international playlists are also available. And in this app, Netflix themed songs are also available. So almost every type of songs are available in this app, be it national or international. Now, for example, if I type on workout, so all types of workout songs are also available in the Spotify app, and workout playlist will also be created by the Spotify. So if you're doing any sort of workout, exercise or yoga, so this playlist is for you, where you can have access to many workout songs in this app. This is one of the coolest feature of this app, where you can manage your work and also enrich your mind. Next best feature of this app is podcasts. Here you can have access to many types of podcasts in Spotify, be it motivational or spiritual or education or sports or politics. So you can have great access to your podcasts on this app. Now, for example, I've taken business and finance podcasts, where you can have access to the podcasts related to money, business, and finance. Let's test the sound quality of the Spotify app.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase.
So as you heard, the sound quality of the Spotify app is really good and really crispy. And the music and the voice of this app is really clear in this app. And its user interface is really easy to use. And also you can select your device on which you want to listen to your songs or podcasts. Another good feature of this music player of this app is you can use a mobile device as a remote control to access. And also if you press the triple dot button on the right top of your screen, You can see who are the song composers for this song, from which album is this song released, on which year the song is released. So if you press on the View Artists button, so you can see the artist for this song. And also if you press on View Album on the same page, you can see from which album is this song released and which year is the song released. And also detailed information regarding this song is also given in Spotify app. Again, triple dot button and you can tap on Show Credits. So you can see who performed the song, who wrote the song, who produced the song, and from which source the song has been released. And also there's another feature called Sleep Timer or Stop Audio. Again, in the triple dot button, you have to scroll down and there's an option called Sleep Timer. So you can stop the audio in 5, 10, 15, 30 minutes based on your preference. So it'll stop the audio automatically. So once if you stop your audio based on your frequency, if you want to repeat or shuffle your song, you have to press repeat or shuffle for it. So by this, it comes to the end of the features of Spotify app. So now let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of this app. The advantages of this app is very user friendly. Its interface is really good. And also you can have access to unlimited songs and podcasts. Its collection of songs and library of songs is really huge. The disadvantages of this app are its premium subscription is quite expensive. And from one Spotify account, you cannot have an access to 2 or more devices at the same time. And even if you want to access to 2 or more devices from your same account, you have to take premium subscription of Spotify. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of Spotify app. And which is your favorite music app? Do let us know in the comment section so that I can make a dedicated video regarding that. So if you have any doubts or queries related to this app, you can please let us know in the comment section. So please like this video if you found it informative and interesting. Do share this informative video and subscribe to this channel for more informative videos. And thanks for watching.